Cwestiwn 4 ydy, oes brawd neu chwaer 'da ti? Does anybody recognise any of those words in that question? Yes, well done. Brawd ydy brother a chwaer ydy sister. Do you have a brother or sister?
Damn, ardderchog. So, for this question, you have a maximum of 4 points to collect for the different answers you can give. So, for 1 point, it would be just a straight yes or no, or yn Cymraeg, you would say oes neu nag oes. For 2 points, would be putting it in a full sentence. So, for example, oes mae chwaer neu brawd 'da fi. But if you didn't have a brother or sister, you would say nag oes, does dim chwaer neu brawd 'da fi. For 3 points, you could extend your answers using ond. So, for example, nag oes, does dim brawd 'da fi, ond mae chwaer 'da fi o'r enw Sarah. And for 4 points, you can then answer the question with that extended ond and or enw and ask the question at the end to your partner as well. So, for example, nag oes, does dim brawd 'da fi, ond mae chwaer 'da fi o'r enw Sarah. Oes brawd neu chwaer 'da ti?